Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you all features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro Prime panel van. This vehicle is brand new and it's covered by the manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer Guard-X nano coat over the paint to make sure tree sap, acidity, rain or anything else won't affect it. This exemplar is painted in the aptly named Post Red, which is a special order 2-coat metallic paint from Vauxhall, and it's in the Prime trim, which comes with front fog lights, twin sliding doors on both sides, you also have barn style doors at the back with parking sensors located on the bumper. And then on the curb side, you have the other sliding door, diesel cap, and the AdBlue cap is localized after the passenger door. Let's take a look at the boot now. Opening the barn style doors, you can see the cargo bay is fully wood ply lined. You have box housings over the wheel arches to get an even regular shape on the cargo space. You got 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo. Size-wise, it's 126 centimeters in between the wheel arches housing, 128 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then the cargo floor is 245 centimeters, fully usable from edge to edge. It's time to take a look into the cabin. Once you get into the cabin, you have 3 seats in a 2-seat bench configuration and a fully independent, fully adjustable driver's seat. Once you get into the cabin, you have aluminum trims over the door card, dashboard, spanning all the dashboard. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have analog clock and a digital trip computer. You can also set the dimming of the trip computer independently through these buttons. On the steering wheel on the left, you have the stalk for the lights, which also have the automatic headlight function. Cruise control stalk. Over to the right, the automatic wipers and the infotainment controls. And then over here, you have the toggle for the volumetric alarm and also the dial to regulate the height of the beam. Over to the door card, you got power mirror controls and power windows. The infotainment unit is an NAC unit from Vauxhall. This one is fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality through the USB cable and also mirror link. As I mentioned before, you have the parking sensors, start and stop, and traction control. And the vehicle is also fitted with a driver attention warning. Right over here, you also got one more storage unit on top of the dashboard. Underneath, you got the air conditioning unit controls plus the heated mirrors toggle, the central locking unit and also the cargo bay unit lock, a USB-A port and a 12-volt charging port, and this vehicle is also fitted with a 6-gear transmission. And these are the features and benefits of the Vauxhall Vivaro Prime panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.